Hello everyone and welcome to Matchbox Memories. I found 2023 Mix 10 Matchbox mainline vehicles this week at Walmart, and I'm very excited to open these vehicles up for you guys and have a look at them. We have seen some of these already as part of Mix 9 in my video, so I won't open those. Specifically the Toyota MR2, which I have the open version. I did find a lights up version in this mix, so I will open that up as well so you can see the two cars side by side. Anyways, without any further ado, let's start cracking some of these vehicles open. Since I mentioned the Toyota MR2, let's just open that up. I love this casting. This was one of my favorite cars growing up. The 1984 Toyota MR2. When I first moved to Canada, this was sort of the car I wanted to buy. I never ended up buying one, but always loved the real car, and I do love this die-cast version of it. And honestly, if any of you guys are in your 40s, you can probably remember the original MR2 in white that Matchbox did, which was also just a fantastic toy. Anyways, let me open that up and then we'll compare it to the version we saw from Mix 9, which was the lights down version. And as you guys hopefully remember, this casting always has four versions. It's lights up, lights down, and then left hand, right hand drive. And I'm not sure if this is left or right hand. It does look like a left hand drive vehicle, but anyways, let's open it up and have a closer look at it. So it is in fact left hand drive, as you can clearly see, and this is the lights up version. Look at that. True to the real car, good design. The 1984 Toyota MR2 in this metal flake blue. Beautiful. And then just a quick side by side. One has lights down, one has lights up, and you can see they're both left-hand drive. Next, we're going to have a quick look at this Holden VF Commodore SSV police car. It's an Australian vehicle. People have been highly anticipating this. Anyways, let's crack it open and have a quick look at it. I actually just realized I had already opened it in the previous mix. So here it is, guys. Just a quick look at it. We've already seen this one as well. The Highway Patrol. I love this casting. I think it's just really nice. I hope they do a ton of different liveries on it. I think it can be, it's a police car this time. It can be a sedan. I'm very happy to see it just clean with no livery. I just hope they do finish the back though. Anyways, we've seen that before, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. There it is, guys. It's a beauty. What do we have here? The 1941 Plymouth coupe. This unusual green. Pastel green. Look at that, fully detailed. I love these vehicles. Vehicles from the 20s, 30s, 40s. Always great in my eyes. Closer look at that. Look at that fully detailed back. That looks amazing. There's a bit of a gap between the bumper and the bonnet or the trunk. Good set of wheels. True to the era. Look at that. Just absolutely lovely. And then just such a great color. Very collectible, I would say. Okay, here's the second version of the 1965 Ford C900. It was originally came out in yellow. I quite like this casting. I hope that Matchbox creates some trailers for this to pull at some point. Yeah, it's just a good casting. Let's open that up. Closer look at this one. Good tires. Bunch of liveries. Matchbox Garages, USA. A&A and RAC with a spanner. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure if that's someone's initials. Maybe one of the designers. Look at that. Amazing detailing at the front. It does have that safety bar that sort of takes away from the aesthetics. Big mirrors. No detailing at the back, but 1965 Ford C900. I think this is a phenomenal vehicle. I just wish they would make a trailer to go with it. Just too nice to have on its own. Anyways, beautiful. Third version of the Volkswagen EV4 off of memory. I think it came in blue and silver or gray before this. Getting a bit fed up with these EV vehicles. Matchbox seems to be doing a lot of SUVs lately. Anyway, two-tone. It's a nice enough vehicle. It's just a bit boring for me. Anyways, I'll open it up and show you guys. And it's good detailing. It's well finished. It's well designed. It's just a bit boring, and that's the bottom line on that one for me. All right, so we have the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabrio. I've never been a huge fan of this casting. I think it's a bit, I'm not sure what the word is. Chubby is what comes to mind, but just the lines just don't seem quite adequate for me on this particular design. Let's open it up and have a look at it. We've seen it before in several colors. It's been around for a while. So let's open that up. It's a metal flake blue Cabrio Porsche 911 Carrera. Look at that. It just doesn't seem quite right from that angle, does it? Just the lines on it are not quite right for me. There it is. Don't want to spend too much time on it. We've seen it several times, several different colors. Can't remember if I've already opened this, guys. I'm going to open it up anyways. 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. If I've already shown it to you guys in Mix 9, I do apologize. But there it is. It's a nice little car. For some reason, I feel like I've already shown this to you, but there it is again. Look at that. Beautiful front. Totally detailed. Back is not detailed. Chrome base. A 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. Interior is a brown. Let's have a look at this Renault Kango. I've got several versions of this vehicle. I'm always happy to get a Goodyear tire service livery on any of my vehicles, especially a moving truck or a delivery truck in this case. Fortunately, the grille and emblem are not done, neither are the back. Totally not detailed. It's a black interior. 2023 license. I'm going to open that up. That vehicle actually looks really good. It's too bad the back is not detailed, but it does look really good. Look at the detailing. Look at the touches there. The red and the gray on the step there. Fully detailed side. Completely tinted windows, so you can't really see if there's an interior. No, it does. Yeah, it does have an interior. You can just about see it. And then front's not detailed either. It's more of a side detailing on this light here. Yeah, it's a beauty. Next, we're going to have a look at this vehicle, which is a casting that I had as a kid. I think they've made some modifications to it. The MBX field car. I'm always happy when they bring back these retro vehicles that we played with as kids into the main line in this era. And this one's interesting. It's got the gray, orange, black theme that some of the cars that Matchbox thought were special. They gave it the special packaging and color theme. So just an interesting vehicle. It's a fantasy vehicle, but it's one that's been around in different forms for many, many years, many decades. And I can't knock them from bringing this one back. It's got a nice tow hook, spare tire. Unfortunately, the front and the back don't appear to be detailed, but let's crack that open. Let's have a look at this field car, the MBX field car. Good set of tires. You can almost drill it for the tires and put these tires on something else. Front's not detailed. Now there's the back. It's a beautiful orange, isn't it? Well, don't want to spend too much time on that. Next, I'm going to have a look at this Mazda RX8. I think this is a new vehicle for 2023, new casting in black. Let's crack this one open and have a look at it. There it is, guys. This is a really good looking vehicle. Good detailing, front's detailed. It's a metal flake black. RX8. So RX8 was never quite as popular as its predecessor, the RX7. But still quite a nice car. Good design. And this diecast version is actually very, very well designed. And I think it's coming out in a different color in 2024. So we can look forward to that. Don't want to spend too much time on these because I am trying to keep these videos down in duration. So next we're going to look at this 2020 Land Rover Defender 90. We've seen this in a few colors now, and this one just adds to the color scheme. This brown, I think it's a metal flake brown, and once again, you know, fully detailed front and back with a spare tire. I think that's really, really nice, and I'm going to open this as well at the same time. Another casting we've seen before in several colors. It's the 2021 Ford Mustang E. This one has a New York City taxi livery. This might be my favorite version of it. Fortunately, the back's not on. Love the color. Love the color scheme. Just a beauty. So I'm going to open those two vehicles up and then we will have a look at those. Right, let's start with the Land Rover Discovery Defender 90. This one's really nice. This color really does look good. Look at that. Look at the detailing. Sort of an opaque, clear windows and windshields and roof. Yeah, I really, really like this casting. This one looks particularly good. Beauty. The New York City taxi. And this bright mustard yellow. Fully detailed, once again, beautiful casting, and I really, really like the theme here. Fortunately, they didn't do the back. Oh, unfortunately, they didn't do the back. All right, just two more cars left. Let's have a look at them both, and then we'll crack them open. So I've been waiting for a long time to get this 1986 Volvo 240. We still see them on the roads here in Vancouver. Sturdy car. From what I recall, it was one of the safer cars of that era, and obviously it's still on the roads, so it's a machine that works well and lasted the test of time, and I just think it's a fabulous looking vehicle. Fully detailed front and back. Looks like it's got a light gray interior and a black base. So we'll open that in a second. And then the other car that I've been really looking forward to is the 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring in black, fully detailed, front and back, and black interior and a dark gray base. And we have already seen this in black, and I did pull that out just for comparison. So going to be fairly quick here. I'm just going to open these up, guys, and then we will have a look at those two vehicles. So quick side profile of those two cars. I'm just going to have a look at the Volvo first, because I'm very excited to have it in my hand. Look at that. That looks just like the real thing. Matchbox 1986 number plate. This looks really good. Appropriate set of tires. Look at the front. Very nice. This has to be one of the best models that Matchbox has done this year, at least in my eyes. Best new models, I would say. And you know, appropriate color. I do recall seeing it in this color, very similar shade of blue to this. So just a beauty, just absolute beauty. If you haven't got it in your collection, guys, please do try and find it. I think it's worth adding to any Matchbox collection, or any diecast collection. Look at that fully detailed back. Good set of tires. Oh, I'm a huge fan of wagons, so having this BMW, and I love collecting BMWs, so this is just a fantastic car in my eyes. Very happy to add it to my collection. 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring. Just a beauty. Yeah, unfortunately they put the safety bar on all their wagons now. I'm just gonna show you guys the original version of this, and we will call it a day. So that is, guys, there it is in black, metal flake black. I think the wheels on this particular one are not as nice as the wheels on the white one, but I do think that this black color theme looks better on the vehicle. Maybe they'll do it again in black with the cooler set of wheels. See, those wheels just look way better. So that's it, guys. Mix 10 2023. It took forever to get to Vancouver. I'm so happy to get this set. I think there's some fabulous cars in this mix. If you guys haven't had a chance to get your hands on them, please do try and find them. Have a wonderful holiday season. I will be making a few more videos before the end of the year, and many more in 2024. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.